We have 4 exciting new features in SureCart 3.10, and I'm going to end with the most exciting of them all. So let's go through them all one by one. The very first new feature is something that our users have been asking for some time, and that is the ability to duplicate a product, but we took it a step further. So now when you're looking at your list of products and you hover over a product name, there's going to be an option here to duplicate, and it's going to duplicate everything in that product for you. However, we also have it so that you can duplicate individual prices. So here I am in a product. Here's a price, and when I click on these 3 dots, there's also the option right here to duplicate a price. Also, the option to duplicate the entire product is here when you're in the product view. You can click on the 3 dots here on the top right, and you'll see the option there to duplicate the entire product. Next, we've made it so that you can turn any page on your website into a product page. Let me show you how you can do this. I'm going to create a brand new page right here. Give your new page a name, and then click on the plus on the top left. This opens up the block inserter, and let's scroll down a little bit to where it says product. Here it is, and here it says product form. And when you click on this, the next step is to choose the product that you want here. I'll click on choose product, and I'll choose this option right here, and it lists my product. And then I'm going to choose start with a basic layout. And here you have it. Everything that makes up the product page has now been added to this page, and this makes it so you can turn any page on your website into a product page. Next, we've added an improvement to our subscription reminder notice feature. So if you visit settings inside of SureCart and then click on subscriptions, it pulls up all the options for subscriptions. And we have this new section here that says subscription renewals. Now, SureCart has always sent out subscription renewal reminders, but before the option was to set it in terms of days, which doesn't work with all the different types of subscription terms or lengths of subscription terms. So you might want a reminder on a different day before the payment for a monthly subscription than for an annual subscription. So when you go here, you'll enter in a value. And as you can see right now, by default, it's set to 10. And then over here, it says this is the percentage of remaining time in the period. So if it's a monthly subscription, this is 10%, which is 3 days. So 3 days before the renewal, the notice will go out. And for annual subscriptions that are 365 days, this will go out on the 36th day before the renewal is going to take place. So now you have this greater control to come in here. And we have another setting that we're also working on to set a minimum amount of time that has to go by before a renewal reminder goes out. And this is going to give you even greater granular control. And this will be coming in a future update. And the last feature in this update is a brand new way to increase the average order value in your store. And we call this price boosts. Let me demonstrate how it works. I've configured a price boost on the monthly subscription of this product. So if a buyer comes here, adds it to the cart, and goes to the checkout, this is what they're going to see. I'll just go ahead and click on the Buy Now button. And when you look over to the order summary, you will see the price boost, which gives the buyer an opportunity to swap this product with a different product by clicking a single button. So as you can see, this is a monthly subscription, but I've configured it to offer the annual subscription, and I've customized this text to say, unlock 50% savings, switch to annual now. And all you have to do to switch is click on this switch right here, and it's going to swap the monthly for the annual, which in this case boosted the average order value from $15 up to $90. You can add these price boosts to any price that you have configured inside of one of your products. And you can swap the product with any of your products. It could be a different price in the same product or a different product entirely. Let me show you how to configure this price boost. I'm in my product editor screen. I'm going to scroll down to one of my prices. I'll click on the edit button, which opens up the panel to configure the price. And when you scroll down, you'll see right here, it says price boost. And then you choose the product that you want to swap with, and then you choose the text that you want to show to the right of that toggle. Now you want this text to be enticing to get someone to want to click the toggle to take advantage of some sort of savings for swapping to this other product. Let me show you how to create a price boost from scratch. So here's a different product, and I have plan 1 and I have plan 2. I'm going to click on edit for plan 1. Here's the price boost. I'm going to click into the select a price. Now this could be a price for any product, but at the very top, it's going to show me a price in the product that I'm in. So that's what I actually want to select. So I'll choose that. And then right here, I will enter in a description. This description can say whatever you need it to say, and it can also take up multiple lines of text, although I personally prefer a more compact description. So if you're having a difficult time wording this, it's very simple. You can jump into ChatGPT or some AI model and ask for a little help of conveying the value in a short amount of space. So I just put unlock 50% savings with our upgraded plan. This doesn't have to be about savings. It could be about getting more. You really just want to convey the benefit of swapping this product with the one that they've already selected. Okay, then I'll click on update price and the panel will close and your price boost has been created. So let's take a look at it. So I'm going to click on view product and then I'm going to select plan 1. I'm going to click on buy now and you can see right here, unlock 50% savings with our upgraded plan. I toggle it on and it's going to swap the product for me. We hope you enjoy these new features, and we've got a lot more features on the way.